Hi, my name is Pérez-Hemminger, and for the last 3 years, I've been a design lead at IBM Studios in Austin, Texas. My journey to get here was not a seamless one. It took me from Puerto Rico to New York to Austin, from small agencies now to one of the largest enterprises in the world. And through it all, I've hit all the walls trying to sustain my career as a designer. While the agency life was chaotic, the transition to the world of the enterprise hit me like a ton of bricks. Designing enterprise software is messy, complex, and sometimes you just want to flip your desk and jump off the building. But if you can weather that storm, you'll find invaluable life lessons about leading a team, aligning divergent goals, and dealing with egos while maintaining your self-worth. Come to my session and we'll translate my struggles so you can keep your sanity and understand if the enterprise world is for you. Please vote for my session and see you in Austin.